Alright, we got the 3.1 liter here, going inside the Buick Park Avenue. And what I'm gonna do is show you how to disconnect these quick disconnect fuel lines. They're a little different than the 3.4 liter that from my other video. And not only that, I got better light for this video. But anyway, this is the fuel line right here, of course. And this part would be connected to your car. And this goes down to your fuel rail. So you have this little clip right here. And what you do is you pop the clip off. And then once again, you're going to go to your quick disconnect tool. It looks just like this. This is a 3/8. They come in a kit. You can get them anywhere. But I'll show you how you do this. Alright, first you remove the clip. Simple. Take a screwdriver. Lift it up. No big deal. Put it to the side. Alright, so you take your tool. Put it on. Put it around the line there. All you're going to do is you're going to slide it up. Try to do this with one hand. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, here we go. Now you just slide it in. You heard that snap? It's flush. The tool is flush right here. So you see it's all the way in, you heard a snap. All you do is pull this part out. Comes right off. So there you go. This is a 3.1 liter. A little different, not much, just that clip that was on it.